Again, rewind.
Go.
Okay, Miss Viveline
Go.
Lopez Gonzalez.
Good day to all of us. So, pakilala po muna ako. I'm Babylin Lopez Gonzalez. And ayan, yung second mother ko, nakilala ko before COVID. I became a GMAD elite and because I want connections for the business, of course. So, I've been in different companies. Okay, so I've been in product base and also in digital online. So why I accept this company? Because I trusted the person who invited me to be in this company. There's already kumbaga proven and tested, no? I knew them personally because this person is a millionaire's maker. So for my
Kapitbahay ko.
previous company, one of our uplines is the hit a 500 million pesos in just 1 year. So some of my uplines 250 million in just 1 year. So meaning siguro I think they are all dito sa Philippines siguro out we are in the 188 countries worldwide, but 550 members, leaders of the Philippines became millionaires. So, I'm very happy na na-introduce sa akin yung Diamond Solution because I thought that I'm going to stop doing a networking. So, since our office will open tomorrow, so I want to share to you a bit about the STEG Diamond Solution.
STIG.
Yeah, STIG. So this business is if you know that it is similar to real estate, like a condominium that you want to have your own asset, right? So if you're paying your condominium, it will take you 4 years, I think so, to 5 years bago ma-turn over sa'yo yung isang property mo. But this one, the diamond, with the certificate and serial number, meaning it's a real diamond, you can receive it in just 1 year.
Kasi di ba natin
But by
kayang
doing
bumili?
this, but not only your asset, but once you start doing your business, even a small amount of money start of $100 US, you already have your own diamond. Yeah, and why you are asking about it's impossible, right? Because our company have the cutting, polishing certifications
From the GIA.
from the GIA. So GIA,
Genealogical Institute of America.
So why we are opening an office tomorrow? Because I also want to work with the legit companies. If not,
Kasi-
why do I work with without any legalities or any office here in the Philippines, right? So I wanted. If not, then why do I work with you? I'd rather find an afam or a rich man to marry. Am I right? That's right.
Hindi talaga, lugi mo na lang.
Why I'm wasting my time to share this business if I can find a rich man? That, in short, I also, if I want to become one of the millionaire here in the future, I also want to help people. The Filipinos that I know, my friends, relatives, whoever that I'm working with before, right? So by this, I can share to you a short videos. But tomorrow, I'm going to invite you to the opening of our office in
Para makontak sa address.
in 2053 Edison Street, Alscopil Building,
Mag-text din
Makati
ako.
City. So I'm gonna play a short video so you have any ideas for this that and then you can go tomorrow to meet the
CEO.
the person who invited me, the 001 in all over 188 countries worldwide, and also the CEO. They are European. And for your information, the person who invited me, he is living in the Philippines like 15 to 20 years here in the Philippines, and he also have his own farm, rice farm in Kalinga through his girlfriend. So he have traditional business. Yeah, he have. I trusted him because he's been here for how many years already.
And the
I think
CEO
so that he will not scam people here.
And the
because
CEO
he is very afraid of that scamming people because he is a foreigner.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the CEO is
So-
married to a Filipino.
Yeah, and the CEO, the German guy, the CEO is also married to a Filipina with 2 daughters. So
Kaya kilala namin.
kaya kilala ko po sila personal. That is why I'm not afraid to work with them through this new company, which is the asset is diamond, real diamond. So I'm gonna play a video, mother. And please open.
Sana ba yun?
Kailangan naka-close yung laptop mo. In the future, maraming milyones dyan.
Ay, hindi na yan. Gamitin ko. Mahirap ang MacBook. Hirap siya. Very sensitive. Hindi siya basa-basa ano.
With a unique concept that brings you financial
Doon ka na, kuya.
Diamond Solution is exactly the
Di ba klaro yung light siguro?
example. The US dollar has suffered a real loss of purchasing
Ikaw, kuya.
almost 89% since 1960. The value of diamonds has increased by more than 1,337% over the same
Pahinaan.
period.
Yan.
Yet very few people benefited from this.
Yan.
And that is exactly what we are
So,
changing.
is somebody talking here? Or can you,
Intermediaries
is somebody talking? Can you increase the volume?
Diamond Solution is the first platform worldwide that allows people to bypass
Ah, dito.
Mahina, hindi nila marinig.
bypassing the majority of our trading margins to our customers.
TV-TV lang naman yan. Bukas marami.
Ilagay mo doon, papunta, pakita nila na nga.
Save up to
Ialagay
Yes,
ko
dito? Yes, yes.
Pwedeng mahila yan. Patulong ka.
far below the usual market price.
Okay, stop daw muna.